Hey everyone, so in tonight's video I'm going to be sharing with you this really cute idea that I had come up with on a way to send Halloween Happy Mail, and I'm calling it Boo Mail. So I was brainstorming on different and fun ways that we could send each other some Halloween Happy Mail, and the first thing that came to mind was a coffin box. Now, I was brainstorming with my crafty BFF Amador, and he was telling me that sometimes people send paper mache boxes through the mail, and I know that there's craft or paper mache boxes that you can get. I'll link them down below. But I really wanted to do something with shipping boxes. So I found a site that I will also link down below that sells coffin-shaped shipping boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in a second how I build this box. It's really easy. So if you want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. So when you order these boxes, they come in two pieces. One is the base of the box and another piece is the lid. So right now I'm building the base of the box, and it's pretty simple. All you need to do is fold on all the score lines, and once you fold in one section, like you see that I have the section to the left folded in, everything just kind of falls into place. So hopefully you guys can visually follow along with what I'm doing. The boxes are pretty decent size. They're actually really deep, and like I said, I'll link where I picked them up down below, and you guys can check out the measurements and things over there. So I'm just folding the box into itself to create the box, and you can go ahead and secure everything with adhesive, but you really don't need to. Everything just kind of locks into place and it holds really nicely. So this is the base of the box. The way you create the lid of the box is very similar, but just for visual reference, I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So here is the lid, and it's the same thing. You're just folding everything in, and once you fold in one side, everything just kind of locks into place, and these are really easy to put together. So after you guys see me put the box together, you're going to see how I fill them. I have 4 of these that I'm going to be creating, and I thought it might be fun if you guys saw what I was able to put inside. So like I mentioned before, the other option you have if you don't want to sit here and build the box is you can find paper mache coffin-shaped boxes. So like I said, I will have the link down below for those. If you want to just paint those and send those, you're more than welcome or more than able to do that. So here's the first box that I am going to be putting together. I handmade these little medallions and packaged them up, and then I have this little packet of glitter. I got that idea from my friend Liz Russell. I'll link her channel down below. She created little packets like that for some sequins, and I thought it might be cute to use it for glitter. You guys saw me create these little projects in previous videos, so I'll go ahead and link all of them down below so you guys can catch up there if you haven't seen them. I'm adding some candy because you can't have a Halloween Happy Mail box or Boo Mail without candy. So I'm doing that, and then I created this little card to go on top. So I wrote my little letter in there, and there's my box. So the next one is like an orange and black theme. The paper collection that I'm using is Echo Park's Bewitched. I love this collection so much. It's witch themed, and I love witch themed stuff when it comes to Halloween. So here I'm just adding all my goodies. Everything is very color coordinated, if you guys can already tell. I'm a little crazy when it comes to things like this, but I love to have everything detailed and color coordinated and put together. I just think it looks so cute. So that's what I'm doing. There's my card. So that is it for Boo Mail box number 2. On to number 3. This is more witch themed, so I have some rosettes with little icons in the center that are witch themed. So the potion bottle, the hat. This one has a cauldron, really adorable. Everything is pretty much the same, just different in some ways, just because I wanted things to coordinate, and I love how everything turned out. So here's some crepe paper trim, more little candy corn baggies. I picked these up at Target in a big bag because I knew I was going to be giving them in some Boo Mail. There's my little card, and then onto the 4th box. So this one has the black and orange color combination with hints of black and white stripe because my friend loves black and white stripe. So this is the surprise push pop for this box. More of these sprinkles mix that I created. Some crepe paper and some sweets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to inspire you on some different and fun ways that you can send your Halloween Happy Mail this year. If you guys give this a try, please let me know. I would love to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed and you'd like to be, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow night.